Lights on with nobody around or in full daylight. That's wasted energy in industrial spaces. Signify Interact Connected Lighting. With our new mains-powered Dali sensor range, makes your luminaires respond to occupancy and daylight, even in demanding industrial applications with high mounting heights, long aisles, and harsh conditions. With 3 lens options optimized for mounting heights from low to medium to high, you get precise detection tailored to each application and flexibility that matches your goals. Dense layouts for finer zoning, greater energy savings and more data points, or fewer sensors for lower installation time and upfront cost. The range includes surface-mounted versions for trunking systems, as well as models for high bay and waterproof luminaires. An optional lens shield enhances detection in aisle applications, while IP66 and IK08 ratings ensure durability in industrial setting. And with robust communication and an astonishing 50-meter Zigbee range, as well as the widest detection coverage for lower mounting heights, you get reliable connected performance and measurable savings with any Interact-ready system you choose. Learn more at www.interactlighting.com.